Okay, here we are at 142 Shaw Avenue, and we're on the roof here. We started this about 3 o'clock yesterday, and tore a lot off fast. And fortunately, I didn't know how I was going to get these shingles down because you can't just throw them down there. I didn't want them on the porch and on the road. I saved these green bags that the insulation came in, the cellulose insulation. Super strong bags. I've brought them up here. Well, fortunately, I kept them and reusing them. I just dump them when we take them to the weigh station, and then I bring them back and reuse them. So I've had this all, I've taken 20 bags down, each about 100 pounds. And now I'm ripping off. So we did have a layer of aluminum. So my lesson here is I really don't believe in going over top of roofs with more roof. So here we had the original. Then we had, it looks to be two